happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortz, and we are taking the Nissan Pulsar GTi-R out. As it says in the title, we are getting some tints on. A lot of people have said in my social media you should get it tinted out. Well, that's what we are doing. If you don't follow me, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above. As always, put up sneak peeks and I go live on there, and make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when we upload any video you'll actually be notified. Look at this beast. I've also done a Nissan Pulsar GTi-R playlist, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you check out the videos. So what the plan is we're going to get the front windows legally tinted and the back windows fully tinted, fully blacked out. No idea why this car hasn't got tints. I'd have thought it had got tints, but it's not. Late night tints putting on car. So apparently it's already got light tints on it as well. Don't know if you can see that. I didn't even know it's got light tints on it already. No idea why you put light tints on it. But yeah, time to do one of the modifications to the Pulsar GTi-R. Let's get it into the unit. Let's get started. I wanted to show you in the daylight because it got too late and you won't be able to see much in the dark. But what do you think? She has tints on already. Now, believe it or not, when I actually took the car in for tints, it didn't seem like there were tints already on it, but there were tints already on and they got that worn out that they were just clear. So he took the first tints off and then he started to put the tints on and realized there's a second layer of tints as well. So it actually took longer than anticipated, but overall, look at that. My car has now got tints on. So we went light at the front and limo tints at the back. That's what it looks like at the back. You have to take the spoiler off as well, so if you saw my social media you'd know that we took the spoiler off. You still can see through it, but overall I think it looks much better than before. As you can see, the front tints are a bit more lighter than the back ones. So what else do you think I should do to the car? Here's a back view. So what do you think? Does the tints suit the car? Is there any other stuff I should do to it? I've got a load of other stuff planned with it, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and check out the Nissan Pulsar playlist. But overall, as you can see, when sun hits, when sun's not hitting it, you can see that it looks really nice when it's tinted. So what ideas should I do? Shall I do black on black wheels or bronze wheels? There's a few other ideas that I've got with the car. So like I said before, make sure you do subscribe, share out the video, and yeah, that's the tints on my Nissan Pulsar GTi-R. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you again for another video.